I was quoted $30,000 just for a portion of my backyard to be created, and it's an automatic no for me because who's gonna pay $30,000? Who's gonna do that? Not me. I'm not gonna do it. Are you gonna do it? I'm not doing it. So, with that being said, I refuse to pay $30,000 for a portion, not even the full backyard, a portion of my backyard to be done. Granted, no disrespect to landscapers. Do what you do, live your life, get it how you get it. But it's not coming from my pocket, not my bank account, not anybody's bank account around me. I just refuse. Like, if you know me, you know I'm a very frugal person. You know that I'm going to do things that make sense, and that just does not make sense to me. So, with that being said, I'm building my fur baby's dream backyard on a budget. Okay, because it's not that damn difficult. I mean, it might be, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay. And also, I said in a previous video I mentioned to you guys, I am tired of California. Okay, I don't know what the heck I want to do at this point. I'm ready to hop states. I'm ready to hop countries. I'm ready to. I don't know. I don't want to spend a lot of money on a backyard when I don't plan on being here long term. That's just my thought process. Okay? Feel how you feel about it. But either way, I'm going to save money. I'm not going to pay $30,000 for a portion, not even my full backyard. Like, y'all, that is insane to me. It's not clocking to me. What did Justin Bieber say? It's not clocking to me.
You're not getting it. It's not clocking to you. It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business, is it?
It's not. So I'm just not gonna do that. So yeah, with that being said, I am going to start the process. I actually already started. Everything is tarp down and we're almost ready to roll. And really, I just really want a simple landscape. I'm going to show you guys a little little sneak peek today of the backyard. But for the most part, I just want a grass area for the boys to play in. I want a sectioned off potty area for the boys to pee in. I would like for us, everybody, to be able to enjoy the grass area and for them to be trained to go to their potty area, their potty station. And I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. I do not know if they're going to pee in that potty area, but we're gonna try it anyway. Okay, we're going to try to keep it as organized as possible. So I need the grass area, I need the potty area, I need an area for my garden to be sectioned off. If you guys do not know, I have a very beautiful garden. Well, it's not that cute right now. It's a few things out there, but it's off season, so a lot of the fruits and veggies that we normally have back there are not. It's not in season. So like the watermelons, the cantaloupes, the everything that we had back there is not really in season, it's off season. But I'll show you guys right here a video of the previous garden. And yeah, we're going to make sure that we have a section off area for that, because we're not going to stop the garden, because y'all see what's going on right now in the US anyway. So also a gravel area. I want a gravel area because I do have another another plan that requires a gravel area. I'm not going to tell y'all what that's for, but I need a gravel area. Okay, I need a gravel area. And then I'll work on adding in like different like furniture and stuff back there in a second. There is furniture out there right now, but I don't. We're getting rid of that. That's gonna go. But anyhow, I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. I actually have like I said, everything is tarped down right now. I have to go over a few areas because the wind and just the elements have kind of blown things out of proportion. That's not what I would say, but they kind of threw things out of whack. So I got to kind of get that down. I'm not going to do that today. Today I have the landscaper guy, not the landscaper guy that's going to charge $30,000, but the guy that normally you know cuts the grass and all the stuff. He's coming today to pull some weeds because it was getting a little rough back there, y'all. It was, and those weeds back there are like the ground. It's just a lot going on. So he's gonna come kind of get everything back cute for me, and then I will keep it up from there. But he's gonna come do that part. I'm going to tarp down the areas that kind of like blew off, or just anyway, y'all will see in a second. Okay, give me one sec. Wait, before I show y'all my backyard, go ahead and subscribe, because why are you in my house and not subscribed? Okay, go ahead and subscribe and let's get into it. The yard man actually just got here, so I'm going to show you guys what he's doing right now, and then yeah, hopefully get some more content, but we'll see. Y'all, I am so mad. Why? Y'all, this man, how do I set this up? I don't even know. Where's the lighting at? There's no lighting in here. Y'all, this man. Okay, we'll do that. Y'all, this man just stepped on all my bok choy, and I feel like screaming because I feel like screaming. Like, it was not that much, like, veggies back there. Like, there's only, like, greens and stuff. But, like, the bok choy. And I was trying to yell at him. Not yell at him, but I was trying to get his attention. Like, sir, please, like... like, don't step on the bok choy. And granted, he does not speak English. So, I should have kind of went over things more with him. But I thought he knew. Like, I kept saying, like, no. Like, this area, no. Like, here. You know what I mean? Like... I even use the Google Translate app. So, like, I don't know if he just didn't care, but he will not be back, y'all. I'm actually really irritated. So, I'm probably going to end this video now. Because why would you step on my bok choy? Like, I feel like, was that deliberate or did you just really not know? Anyway, I have a headache now. So, I will show y'all the rest in a different video. I just don't understand why he stepped on my bok choy. Like, y'all, he stepped on the bok choy. Like, you can see, I think in the clip before, I think I got it. You could see, like, the yellow, where you see the yellow, like, it looks like flowers and stuff. That is bok choy. And now it's flat like a pancake. So, I'm about to go out there and see if I can do something to it or bring it back or something. But, very annoyed. Very not giving what I needed it to give for the first episode of this little series that I'm creating, but it's okay. We will try again. I'm going to get off because honestly I have a headache and I'm a little annoyed. I'm not gonna lie. Not a little annoyed, I'm a lot annoyed. So I will talk to y'all in the next video, okay? And keep hope alive. We are still going to make this happen, but he did have to step on my bok choy to get this going. I just don't understand. Not off to a great start, but it's okay. Next video, we got it, okay? Next video.